DRDO to deploy BANSHEE drones for simulating aerial threats during VL-SRSAM testing. Post-successful June 2022 and March 2023 flight tests. VL-SRSAMs, designed for ship-based defense, target sea-skimming missiles and fighters at close ranges. These tests play a vital role in assessing missile efficacy and performance ahead of armed forces integration. 8 ex-Indian Navy personnel, jailed in Qatar on espionage charges, are freed, with 7 returning to India. Following a diplomatic intervention by Delhi, Qatar's Court of Appeals commuted their death sentence. They were overseeing submarine induction for Dahara Global. Charges remain undisclosed. Diplomatic efforts secured their release. The Indian Army initiates a crucial overhaul of its senior officer selection process to meet modern military demands. With a diverse cadre of around 43,000 officers, the focus is on integrating technological expertise alongside traditional military skills. The revamp aims to ensure leaders are equipped to navigate evolving battlefield landscapes effectively, emphasizing the strategic importance of technology in modern warfare. Jindal Stainless, India's largest stainless steel manufacturer, has signed an MOU with the MSME Technology Center, Visakhapatnam, to produce value-added products for defense and aerospace. The collaboration aims to leverage Jindal's material expertise and MSME's manufacturing capabilities to strengthen local production and support the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The partnership will enhance the supply of critical components for defense and aerospace equipment. Tower Semiconductor proposes an $8 billion chip fabrication plant in India, awaiting government approval before elections. If accepted, it would be the first semiconductor company with fabrication experience to join India's $10 billion chip manufacturing scheme, bolstering New Delhi's chip-making ambitions. Other ventures also aim to establish semiconductor plants in India.